create a video like this? Using just text? Let me show you how with Hailuo AI, the next-gen cinematic generator. Step 1. Intro to Hailuo AI and tool access. Hailuo AI is one of the best AI tools for turning your text into cinematic video scenes, complete with camera movement, facial expressions, and emotional storytelling. And the best part? You don't need any video editing skills. Just click on the description link to head over to Hailuo AI, then hit the sign in button and create your account with Google in one click. Once you're in, you're ready to bring your imagination to life. Step 2. Create your first cinematic video. Once you're inside the dashboard, head over to the Create Video tab and select Text to Video. Now here's where the magic begins. Choose Director Mode if you want more cinematic control, and tap into the Camera Controls section. You'll find tons of stunning presets like Pan Left with Tilt, Tracking Shot, or even Zoom and Circle, perfect for storytelling. Now just type your prompt. For example, a lone violinist plays on a rooftop during sunset, wind blowing through her hair as the camera slowly zooms in. You can also enable the tiny pen option to auto-enhance your prompt for more refined output. Once done, hit Create, and in just a few moments, your cinematic masterpiece will be ready. Check out this result. Looks like a real movie scene, doesn't it? Just click here to download your masterpiece. Step 3. Quick examples. Let's try 2 more. Fast. Prompt 2. A robot knight walks through a burning battlefield, smoke all around, camera tracking from behind. Prompt 3. An explorer discovers glowing crystals in a dark cave, eyes wide in awe, cinematic lighting. You can literally create film shots in minutes. Hailuo gives you 1,000 free credits when you sign up, plus 100 daily credits, even on the free plan. Links in the description. Don't forget to like, comment your best prompt idea, and subscribe for more powerful AI tutorials every week.